Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download YouTube video directly into your phone's gallery. So let's get started. This video is for both Android and iPhone users. The process is going to be same for both devices, so don't worry about it. First, open up your Google Play Store or App Store. Then search for YouTube, and make sure that your app is updated to its latest version available. After that, open up your YouTube application, and now select the video that you want to download. Maybe you can select from the home page, or you can use the search bar and search for it. I'm going to select this one here. Then click on this download button to download it. Now, select the quality and again click on download arrow. Once it gets done, simply click on your profile on the bottom right of your screen and choose Downloads. Now you can watch this video even without an internet connection. Similarly, if you want to download the video directly into your gallery, then again click on your profile and select My Videos. Now choose any of the video that you want to download into your gallery, and then click on the dots appearing beside the video, and from the drop-down menu choose Save to Device. Your video will now be saved in your gallery. So that's basically how you can download YouTube video directly into your phone's gallery. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.